this is cool. A shotgun, a pistol, flashlight. I've never seen this before. Let's see. A suit. Okay. Oh, some new binoculars and hat. Oh, hi.
Yeah. Oh, you like our new place?
Didn't I meet you at
Burger King?
Murder Hunt?
Oh yeah, I remember that day. We had
But
to.
I actually murdered you and you're still alive?
Yeah, I know. It was just a dream. It was weird. But you ready to go arrest some kids?
We're doing some bounty hunting.
Woo! Let's go. Let me get my guns. Alright, let's get my shield so when they try to shoot at me, I block it. Let's go. Hey, Jay, I'm gonna do another camera. Let's go to the helicopter.
I'm gonna go to the helicopter. Ooh, this looks pretty good. Man, this is... Oh, there's no helicopter. There's no helicopter, dude. Oh, there it is.
What? Shoot it down.
Shoot it down. I need my binoculars. Where it is?
Hey, bro. Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go get a car so I'll pick you up, okay?
Okay.
SWAT vehicle.
Okay.
Ow, ow. I should have broke my legs. Oh,
Maybe we can have Roblox and SWAT vehicles. I'm going in.
oh, hello.
Oh, hey.
I'm just sitting here.
Oh, yes.
Hey, you think we should go get a paint job for it? Or just leave it like black?
Do you have mobile? Mobile garage?
Yeah, I used to have it, but I sold it.
Just leave it black. Remember these days when we used to have fun playing other games and other stuff?
Yeah, I know, it was really cool like, back then, but now it's not.
Yeah. Now we have to do bounty hunting. And
Yeah, like our work, or like a manager is not gonna let us do any work. Ooh, the jewelry store's open.
it might not, this might not be very good because we might die.
Yeah, we might die, and I don't know what to do.
Well,
Oh, we saw someone. Sirens! They're gonna rob the jewelry store. Put your hands down. Put your hands up.
I got the shotgun.
Where are you? Oh, he just drove off. Okay. He was kind of confused. Okay, that was confusing, guys. Listen. Oh my god. We already suck at this. Yes.
Oh my god, we really suck at this job.
I know. Like, we really suck. Like, we should do something else. Like, I don't like this job anymore. Like, I would rather just try to get arrested. Like, you think that?
Yeah, maybe sometimes.
Yeah, it's like sometimes I don't like this job because you get shot at if you're like a. Oh yes!
Oh, we saw one.
Arrest them and get him out the car. Shoot his tires. Shoot his tires. They say shoot his tires.
Shoot his tires.
Arrest him.
Oh my god,
Tase
he's over
him.
there. Ah!
Tase him.
I'm flying in the air.
Tase him. Arrest him. He's running away.
I passed all the way over here.
Jaden, get him!
I'm all the way over here.
Wow! Arrest him! Hey, Pete! 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 I arrested him!
You did?
He's going to prison!
Good.
Oh, I don't like this job. I'm just gonna go.
Good.
Bye.
Good, Papa.
I'm about to shoot myself.
No, no, no.
No, sorry.
No.
Oh, being a prisoner is fun. What can I do a lot with being a prisoner? So fun being a prisoner. What should I do as a prisoner? Oh, yes, I can escape and everything. And get guns and shoot people. Like, this is cool to be like a prisoner. We're escaping already. Like, it's cool. Look at this, is lit. I just already escaped from the prison. So easy. I might get a key card from some cop. Like I saw one at the bank. Like I heard it was some cop's belt, but I don't know. He has like a microphone. Like I'm gonna ask him for free for some money. Like I'm just gonna ask him for some money. Like for a key card. Hello, cops. Hello, cops. Any cops here? Oh, I'm just gonna wait for a cop. I got arrested! No! 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 This is so depressing! No. I hate my life. I didn't got arrested for all these days. Now I get to stay here? No. Oh no. Like the video, subscribe, like, share, turn on post notifications, like, and hit the bell. So you never miss a live stream or a video. And yeah, we'll see you next time.